Every day your business vehicles and equipment have a job to do in a certain place at a certain time. RadiusKinesis is a market-leading tracking and telematics system that will help you achieve greater control and visibility of critical business assets through accurate tracking data, performance and dashcam video footage, all on one powerful platform. What's more, it's simple to use and perfect for any business, large or small. If your fleet grows or you add valuable equipment to your business, that's no problem. RadiusKinesis will help you keep track and manage it all. RadiusKinesis is loaded with over 30 built-in reports to get you started straight away. Or build your own reports to deliver the insights you need to better run your business. Access to critical information makes those all-important business decisions easy to make. RadiusKinesis is a complete fleet management and asset monitoring solution to improve safety, security, control and cost. Discover how RadiusKinesis can help you manage your business fleet more efficiently at RadiusTelematics.com.